Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about crochet mini skirts. So dear friends, in this articles will give you all the instructions of for the chirpy colorful baby's knit skirt knitting patterns for baby girls. I'm sure you will like this pattern too, but keep reading my article carefully and you will have the opportunity to do it yourself. Knitting skirts and knit dresses will seem not be the preferred in the clothing styles of modern times, but you should not decide without seeing these colorful models. Knitting skirts, especially for babies and girls, can be worn for many years without getting old. These skirts, which you can complete by sewing ribbons on them and decorating them with groups of course have one for adult. The name of the pattern is zigzags knitting patterns, and it is a pattern that anyone can do at the intermediate level as seen in the pictures. It is prepared for girls aged 2 and 3 in the skirt model whose main color is white. One color is changed into rose and knitting with 6 7 colors while making colorful patterns. Crochet skirt is enlarged downwards by increasing one time for the right and for the right from and one from the left in each row. If you want to knit these crochet patterns, you can evaluate your remaining yarn in your home. This pattern colors and pattern has a very regular instructions. After the skirts is made with the white colors, the sample is set of a 400s 2 chains and 400s 2 chains with the pink color. After the pink colors rows with white colored railing without increase are made by. Okay dears,